In this video, I am going to show you how to add music in your Roblox game. So to go and add music, first open up the Roblox Studio and make sure you have the Explorer tab open in the right hand side. If you can see the Explorer, then just click on top view of the top navigation and make sure Explorer is turned on and enabled. Now what you are going to do is just scroll all the way to the top and click on the plus icon next to the workspace, and then using the search box go and type in sound and then just click on the sound option. Now you can go and rename this sound, so I'm going to call this background music. Now make sure you have this selected, and then we are going to scroll down in the properties windows underneath playback. Make sure loop is turned on and enabled. So because we are going to be using this as background music, we want to make sure this sound is always playing. You also want to scroll down to playing and make sure this is also turned on. Now you can adjust the volume down. I am just going to leave this as default, but you can increase or decrease this accordingly. So once you have done that, click on the home in the top navigation, click on the toolbox and make sure this is open. Now from this window you are going to find the background song that you want to use in your game. Right click somewhere in this rectangle and press copy asset id. Now in this right hand window we want to make sure our background music is still selected like this, and then we are going to come back down to the properties, the come back down, sorry, asset id now, and in this right hand window we want to make sure our background music is selected like then we are going to come back down to the properties and we are just going to scroll up slightly until you see sound id. Now this is where you need to go and paste in that id number that we just copied, and you can even click preview where here just to make sure it is the right sound. And once you have added these, we can go and click play to preview our game, and your music should be playing in the background now. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.